Today, we're talking about many things, but roughly around infinite games, the technological design and business bottlenecks that makes it hard to make it true.
I think one question that you've often asked the industry is, what can AI do for games and what can games do for AI? And how do those two things intersect? So this is absolutely the stuff that we love talking about.
But here we're thinking about something deeper, a game that basically actually regenerates itself in response to what you and perhaps other players are doing, and surprising you with new things, content that you didn't think it would have in itself. I have often taken the example of imagine you're playing a new kind of Elden Ring or Skyrim or Grand Theft Auto or something like this, and you're in this particular place and you want to go for, see which way the wind is blowing, and you decide you're going to go 5 hours in that direction.
Right.
And then you go 5 hours that direction and you'll find new fauna, new climate, a new city where you could enter any building and talk to the people there, and they would have their lives, and you could talk to them about things, and they would just give you more of things, and maybe they don't want to talk to you, and there's going to be new quests, and the game will have decided that you seem to like romantic subplots, and maybe you would like a car chase, maybe you seem to not want these shootouts, but maybe you never tried a cooking minigame, but based on what we know about you, maybe you would like it. And it would just like create new things and this new architectural styles, and the world just keeps giving and keeps being new for you. Yeah, so I've gone out and talked about this for at least 15 years to people, and I haven't done it yet. I haven't built this yet. And what can we learn from this? Probably that I'm lazy. I'm just talking about it. I'm not building it. But no, I think that for a long time, to expand on the tweet again, there just wasn't the AI models available to do this. I've worked with a whole, I don't want to say that I worked with every part of artificial intelligence, but almost. I've worked with a ton of different AI methods, and for a long time, just like it was unclear how you could possibly do this. And I kept hacking away at small parts of this problem and so on. But these days, it is becoming more and more likely that you could actually create something like this. But then the other problems come into view.
Yes.
And how do you actually design for it? And this is the biggest problem right now in using modern AI in games. How do you design for it? And I'll expand on this statement later on, but basically, games are designed not to need AI, and this is one of our biggest problems. The other thing is, if you do this, what's the business model? How would you pay for all this kind of world creation? What's the way? Where are you going to run these models?